how to find who can see what others post on your profile settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find what others post, how to find who can see what others post on your profile settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and then click this one here, profile and tagging, and click who can see what others post on your profile. And as you see here, you can manage it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.